everyone. Today we're cooking. We are going to make banana peanut butter smoothies. I have my brother who's learning at home with me, helping me be my sous chef. He's gonna read the directions and I'm gonna follow them, and you guys can either follow the recipe at home or just watch the video and follow along that way.
Peanut butter banana smoothie. Step 1, wash your hands.
It's really important always, especially now. JT, my assistant, while I wash my hands, will you count to 20?
Yes.
All right. So you get a lot of soap and water, and we're gonna wash.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
And you rinse. And you dry. You want to make sure when you wash your hands, you get the tops, the bottoms, in between. All right, what's step number 2?
Peel and safely cut 2 bananas.
Okay. These bananas are a little ripe, so they're not too bad to peel. There's one. Put it right in the garbage because you don't want to make a big mess. Sometimes when I cook, I even just leave the garbage next to me. How many, JT?
2.
2 bananas. 1, 2. Okay. Peel and cut. It's really important, just like we used to work in school, that you cut safely. So you always want the knife pointing down, a grown-up's with you, and you never want to do it near your fingers. And it goes right in the sink. What's our next step?
Measure and put in the blender.
What am I putting in the blender?
The bananas.
All right. Bananas are going in the blender. What's next?
Banana chunks.
We did that. What's next?
2 cups of milk can substitute for non-dairy milk if needed.
All right, let me get my milk out of the refrigerator. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, you can use yogurt, pretty much anything like that will work. Remember, when we measure, we want to go really slow, and we're stopping where?
2 cups.
Okay. Ready? And JT, tell me when to stop.
Keep going. Stop.
Okay, same thing when we pour. We want to pour really careful. My mom's sitting right over there, and if I make a mess, I'm gonna get yelled at. So we want to be very careful when we pour. Right into the blender. All right, what's next?
2 cups of ice cubes.
Okay, let me get my ice cubes from the freezer. Sometimes things don't work, and that's okay. We have plan B. 2 cups of ice cubes. Almost there. All right, 2 cups of ice cubes. Okay, well, oh, there's still some in there. Sometimes with ice cubes, they get stuck. You have to just pat a little bit. There we go.
Half cup of peanut butter.
Okay, 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Use a different type of measuring cup because this is a dry ingredient. So anything liquid, like we learned about in science, water, milk, stuff like that, liquid measuring cup. Something thick, solid, like we learned about, dry measuring cup. I'm gonna need a spoon for this too. So you want to make sure that you fill it up all the way, but not too much. Peanut butter can get stuck to whatever you're measuring it in. But the great thing about a smoothie is, if we taste it and it's not quite right, we can add more or less of any ingredient. And same thing like with the ice cubes. You have to tap it sometimes to get it all out. And for my mom who's watching from behind the camera, it's going right in the sink. Another very important part of cooking is that when you're done, you always wash your dishes. Okay, what's next?
Turn the blender on until it is smooth.
Okay, it's gonna get loud for a second. What do you think, JT, my assistant? You think it's done?
10 more seconds.
All right, count down for me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is.
All right, let's check again. What do you think? Is it ready?
Oh yeah.
All right. What's our last step?
Pour into cups and enjoy.
Okay. Sometimes you have to search around to find the right type of cup. Don't worry, JT. I'm not making one for you. Fun fact about my assistant, my brother here, he does not enjoy peanut butter. But I will make one for the director behind the scenes, my mom. And again, I'm pouring really carefully so I don't make a mess. All right. That's how we make peanut butter banana smoothies. Let me try it out. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed.